students, now I am going to classify the fuel injection system, in SI engines. Okay. In last class, we have already seen what were the drawbacks of carburetor and why it is not being used. There were so many reasons. Due to that one, nowadays in SI engine also, instead of carburetor, other fuel injection systems have come into the technologically advanced methods are available in the market. So that system is going to be adopted by all the automobile manufacturers. So now see, now I am going for the classification. Okay, classifications. See, fuel injection SI engine. Now see, one is port injection system. Manifold injection system. Another is gasoline direct injection system, that is gasoline direct injection system, and another is MPFI, that is multi-point fuel injection system. Okay, so port injection, that is also continuous. Okay, continuous system. Manifold is having also continuous system, and another is closed system. Okay, continuous and closed system, and this one. Now say, in port injection system and manifold injection system, how the fuel injected inside the cylinder is through the port. Okay, here in the port, that is, suppose this is inlet manifold. So inlet port actually. So port system, that is through the port, this is nozzle. So from nozzle, this at the high pressure, remember, from both systems, see, this is for port injection, and manifold also like this only. So manifold is here. See now, here also this is nozzle. So by the help of nozzle, at near about pressure 1 to 2 bar, low pressure region, nozzle, that means port injection system and manifold injection system. This port injection means fuel is supplied to the combustion chamber through the port. That is why it is known as port injection system. Okay, so this figure is port injection system. Manifold means that fuel injection takes place through the manifold through which fuel comes. So there itself fuel injectors are being used, that is in the form of nozzle. Here also pressure will be 1 to near about 2 bar or 1.5 bar, that is, this is called low pressure region. So in continuous and closed, both. Closed now is not used, this is not used because it is not economical. Okay, not economical. So this is not being used here also and here also. This closed is not being used. Continuous means that fluid is passed through the port, so that is called port injection system, that is continuous. Manifold injection means fuel is supplied through the manifold here and pressure is near 1 to 2 bar. These two are the old methods. Okay, so now gasoline direct injection, this is called GDI system, in which fuel is direct injected into the direct into the cylinder. Direct into the cylinder. Now see here, gasoline direct injection, GDI it is called. This gasoline direct injection system directly through the nozzle. Okay, through the nozzle gasoline direct injection system, fuel is supplied, and that is better option for the fuel injection system. And MPFI multi-point fuel injection system, both are technologically advanced methods for the fuel injection that we will discuss in next class. Thank you.